We're still having our weather governed by a big Atlantic low, but it may not be the case forever. At the moment you get the idea of it. This cloud, messy though it is, clearly has a shape to it, a structure to it. It's a big depression that's driving everything up from the south. Two bands of rain and cloud at the moment. We're sandwiched between the two, or at least most of us are. So it means for a good part of England and eastern Scotland, the sun might just show itself this afternoon. Whether it does or not, it's relatively mild. The cloud has been the disappointment, of course, but it should feel much colder than it does, given that amount of cloud. It just isn't, is it? Rain's offshore. It's raining now, but it will soon be offshore from Norfolk and indeed Kent. And then the sun's out. But it's the second band of rain. This is rather more active stuff. Quite a strong southerly wind, and showers that could well develop, might even be thundery this afternoon, and I think particularly for the southwest of Scotland, Dumfries and Galloway up through Ayrshire. Glasgow might be included. This afternoon, Met Office warning of quite severe weather when those things come off, and that could, of course, affect the A74, maybe even the western side of the M8. It leaves Northern Ireland in the sunshine for this afternoon, takes away the sunshine from elsewhere, but the whole lot's sweeping eastwards tonight. So if the children are out tonight watching for witches in front of the moon, this is what will greet them. Generally clear skies, but if you catch a shower, and there will be a few, it could be quite a noticeable one. London may be a prime target late in the evening. Now tomorrow there are still heavy showers around, just drifting through the English Channel, hitting western Scotland in quite a breeze, but for most of us tomorrow looks a gorgeously sunny day. A little cooler, just a little, but the sun compensates for that. Temperatures about in the middle teens, so we're knocking off a couple of what we have today, but what's down here is what's coming our way. Maybe the last for a while, but it's a big Atlantic depression. And here it is, driving everything up from the south, so you've got a band of rain followed by lots of grey skies and maybe a few showers. Tight isobars mean windy weather. Oh yes, and it could be severe gales for a while up through the Irish Sea. So we start Wednesday with the rain moving up through northern England.
14 degrees. And for